Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can add the audio and text in CapCut for PC. Alright, I think this is super simple and I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. Okay, so go to media and import your elements you want to edit, and I'm going to select the images that I imported. And I'm going to select audio to add the audio, so you can add the music available here, and you can also add the sound effect. You can extract the audio from the video. Just click import and select the video you want to export, and you can also add the sound from TikTok. So just link the TikTok account, just click on it. Alright, for instance, I'm going to select the music available here. So there are gains and impact. Let's click on add to track, and you can adjust for the duration. Just split and remove unused. And how you can add the text, just click on text button, and you can add the bold text, the vague text template, or auto caption for the video you want to generate the caption. Alright, for instance, I'm going to select the bold text and just for the duration, the same length, and change for the text. Alright, you can change for the font size and the font color, and then you can change for the font style. Alright, and add the preset style also, just for the position and size, and just for the opacity to make it transparent, like so. And anything and any more you can get, sorry, and more you can get in from the CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.